Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix market value concerns with Realtor.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin fixing market value concerns on Realtor.com, start by visiting the Realtor.com website. Once there, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Enter the address of the property you wish to investigate. Press the Enter key or click the search icon. On the property page, scroll down to find the price history section. Review the historical price data to understand previous market values. If you notice discrepancies, click on the Edit Home Facts option. You may need to create an account or log in to make changes. Once logged in, carefully update the home facts such as square footage and number of bedrooms. Double-check your entries for accuracy to ensure they reflect the true property specifications. Next, review the comparable properties listed nearby. Assess their prices to determine if your property's value aligns with the current market. If needed, you can contact a Realtor.com representative for further assistance. Provide them with any relevant information that supports your value adjustment. After submitting your edits, monitor the property page for updates. Keep in mind that changes may take some time to reflect. Regularly checking back ensures you stay informed about any modifications. Following these steps can help address market value concerns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.